Hello my lovely foodie members, welcome back again to my channel. I hope everybody is doing good. In today's video, I share with you the tastiest and perfect fried fish ever that you can find. All you have to do is to trust this process and you will definitely love the outcome. Now, to all my new members, hello, this is the Online Cook. Kindly subscribe to this channel to be part of this delightful community. Take a look at how the fried fish looks. Crispy on the outside, soft and delicious on the inside. So without wasting too much of your time, let's get started. The fish I'll be using for this is a mackerel fish. To make the cleaning easy and fast, I have cut the fish into small sizes. Okay, if you'd also like to watch a comprehensive video on how to properly clean fish, I'll leave the link of that video in the description box, so do well to visit the description box for that link. Also, I have to state that cleaning fish is a must for any fish recipe. So, let me show you what I'm talking about. Take a look at the water after the first cleaning. This is the reason why fish must be cleaned properly. So I'll remove the water. I'll also separate the fish insides, the fins and the gills, and I'll put all of those in the bin before I proceed with the second cleaning. While I do this, I like to say one thing. There are so many fish recipes on this channel, and I'm so glad to have you here because I know you are going to enjoy all of them. So I'll pour the fish back in the bowl and then clean again the second time. One thing about cleaning fish that I would like to explain to you is the cleaning time for fish, or the type of fish we have, all the types of fish we have, is very different. Now I'll divide it into two. The cleaning time for fish with scales is relatively longer because you have to peel off the scale, then proceed to remove the fins, the gills, and then the insides. While the cleaning time for fish without scale, like mackerel fish, is also different because it doesn't have scales. So the time you would use to peel off the scales, you would probably use it to clean the fish insides, the fins, and the gills, and you're fine. So I'm done with cleaning the fish, and I cleaned the fish 3 times. And now it's time to season the fish properly. I'll pour 1 teaspoon of ginger powder. I'll also be adding other ingredients like half teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of curry powder, 1 teaspoon of dried thyme, and 1 stock cube. I'll proceed to crumble the stock cube on the fish. Then I'll mix everything properly with my hand. After I mix all of this, and I'm quite sure that they are properly mixed, I'll get my Ziploc bag. I'll put all the seasoned fish in the Ziploc bag. Then I'll put it in my fridge to marinate for 30 to 40 minutes. One of the things that I love about this recipe is when you cook with this fish, you don't have to add too many seasonings. Why? Because the fish has already been properly seasoned before it was fried. Okay, another thing that I also want to say about this is if you've not liked this video, well, come on, don't forget to like this video, leave your comment, share this video, and subscribe to the Online Cook. Okay, after mixing everything very well, this is just an afterthought anyway. Mixing the fish in the Ziploc bag is just an afterthought anyway. But here is what my fish looks like after marinating for 40 minutes. And it is time to fry. I would not be deep frying the fish. It's going to be a shallow kind of frying. I'll pour my cooking oil into my frying pan and allow it to get hot. As soon as I'm very sure that it's hot enough, I'll arrange my seasoned fish in the hot oil. I would also suggest one cooking tip. As soon as the oil is hot enough, turn down the heat so that it doesn't continue to get hot and hot and hot. And the reason for this is when you fry fish, the hot oil has a tendency of splashing. So to reduce the splashing effect to the minimum, turn the heat down to the lowest. Or better still, take the frying pan off the fire and arrange the fish in the oil before you put it back on the fire. You see, the latter method that I talked about just now is for people who are not used to frying fish or who are afraid of frying fish because of the hot oil. Okay, I'll fry my fish for 6 minutes on medium heat, and it's time to turn the fish. This is exactly what the fish looks like. And you can see already that it looks really crispy on the outside, but I need to turn the fish to fry the other sides too, so that I can get a uniform texture for the fish. So because I have already fried the first side for 6 minutes, I will be frying the other side for less than 6 minutes. I would suggest that you fry the other side for half the initial time you used for frying the first side. So I'll be frying this other side for 3 minutes on medium heat. Another thing that I think you should know about eating this type of perfectly seasoned fried fish is it just merges well with gari. If you're familiar with drinking gari, oh my goodness, this fried fish is so delicious with drinking gari. You can add it to your indomie noodles. When you're cooking indomie, you can add it to it because, of course, it's seasoned, so it just boosts the taste of that meal. You can literally add it to anything, but many people do not use this to cook typical Nigerian soup so that it doesn't slightly alter the taste of those soups. But you can use it to make rice stew, vegetable sauce, you can use it for gari and the other little things, but not Nigerian soup. So after frying for extra 3 minutes, it's time to remove my fish from the hot oil. Okay, as you can see in the video, I'm very sure that you now know that this fish is dry, but not too dry. I'll show you when I open up the fish. You'll see that the outside is dry. It looks really crispy, but the inside is so soft and delicious. And one thing I'd also like to let you know is the beauty of this fish is the fact that it's so delicious. Like, I really can't say this too many times. It is so delicious, it's lovely, and it is nice. And one other thing that I'd like to tell you is this: I've come to the end of this video, and it's been so lovely to know that you are at the other side listening and watching my video, and I hope you try this recipe. So let me show you what the fish looks like on the inside. Take a look at it. Soft, juicy, and tasty. But look at the outside. Crispy. This is the best fried fish ever, and I'd love you to try this recipe. Until I post my next video, have a lovely time. Bye.